The pharmaceutical industry is under pressure to expedite products to market as fast as possible to meet patient need. Bioprocessing refers to the creation of medicines using a living thing, usually cells or cell components. The pitfall of current bioprocess development approaches is that they are largely specific to one product or therapeutic, limiting learning significantly. Learnings from one successful or unsuccessful process do not inform the next one, and no individual company has the volume of data needed to build predictive models for process development. The Smart Bioprocess Development Grand Challenge is a holistic approach to biopharmaceutical process design being pioneered at CPI's Medicines Manufacturing Innovation Centre and the National Biologics Manufacturing Centre. The process begins by generating data using standardized analytical platforms, in which snapshots are taken of outputs and impurities, including particle size, molecular size, charge. This output data for the process is then built into a digital database and consistently fed more data from partners. Using the dataset, we can build predictive models of how molecules are expected to behave. The goal is to produce a database of industry significance, with partner data added, allowing companies to interrogate the data and build predictive models without sharing this data outside of the process. This entire process builds a database which is continually evolving and generating new models, including sustainability data, to also predict environmental impact. This means reduced overall time to market, introduce significant efficiency savings, deliver a step change in bioprocessing for the entire industry, predict the outcome of future processes, without undertaking any experiments. If you would like to join our collaborative Smart Bioprocess Development Grand Challenge, contact us today.